step into the 1999 Chevrolet Tahoe LS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: passenger airbag, daytime running lights, cargo shade, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel drive, driver airbag, and power windows. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.